Good morning. We're cleaning prawns. We're deveining it. This is the one process that I hate doing, but just have to do it, right?
Yeah. You
Chow
wanna eat
soup.
prawn shit? No, right?
Yeah, whatever.
So yeah. Cleaning is better than eating shit.
My hands stink. They want to smell. I choose asthma and I feel so. Prawn.
You already did know yesterday, then why you?
It's a weekend vlog, so
Oh,
it's
it's a
a
complete,
complete Saturday and Sunday vlog. Yeah. Just having a breakfast. I was going out to buy something. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so for me, Sundays are all about cooking yummy food like chicken, seafood, or anything, and just having good time, quality time with family. I've always been like that. I think this is the first ever Sunday after 6 months that there's no lockdown, so you're free to yeah, so you're free to go out, but I'm not sure if we will go because we've gotten used to just staying at home on Sundays, cleaning, organizing, cooking, and all of that. But there's a lot of groceries and all of that to buy, so we might head out. But then, yeah, this is pretty much my Sunday. Wake up late, have breakfast. Sometimes not even that. I directly have lunch. But today I had breakfast because I woke up a little early, which is 8:30. So yeah, I'm pretty free right now because my mother-in-law, she's making lunch. I will help her after this, but right now she is. So I think I'm just gonna organize my makeup and all of that. Everything is so messy and I don't like it that way. So yeah, I'll see you guys. I actually bought a few new stuff from Nykaa a few weeks back. I don't know if you guys want to see a haul or something. I'm never the person who buys makeup, so I'm really not sure if I have to do this. But if you guys want a haul, let me know. It's hardly anything, guys. Okay, I think I'll just show it right now. Let me quickly show you what I got from Nykaa. Basically, I just wanted my Nykaa brow pencil. So this is the one that I use, which is the Brow Girl Brow Definer Bewitched Chestnut. I think this is that. It's super good. Like, I think it's one of the best eyebrow pencils ever. Like eyebrow stick. And this Plum Kajal. I've heard amazing reviews about this, so I definitely wanted this for myself. So this is the Plum Kajal. I think this was for 400 something, 400, and this is for, okay, I don't know, 699, 700 something. And then I also got this Wet n Wild mascara from Nykaa, so this was also for 600, 500. And then I got a Real Technique blender because the one that I had is gone. Like, I've used it for a year now, so that's gone. So this is the blender from Real Techniques. Again, I think this was for 800 something. And then I also have a brush from Real Techniques. So this is for I basically got this for highlighter. I think this also was for 700. All of this is just 500, 600, 700 stuff because I don't want to invest more because I don't use much of this. I hardly use these. And this is a highlighter from Maybelline. So this was for, I think, yeah, 700 again. So that's it. A very minimal haul, guys. And all of these were recommended by my friend and also one of the best makeup artists in Chennai, Sneha. So she told me all of this. What's cooking, Chow?
Cutting some meat.
Alright, you don't have to show. this prawn masala and this mutton and this yummy rasam. Rasam is my favorite. Okay. I made this from scratch, guys. I made the entire prawn tofu by myself. Okay, it's not tofu, just prawn masala. Let's see if it's done. Okay, so I always test if the meat or seafood or whatever is done with chow. So let's ask him if it's done. Can you check if it's done? Like you always do. It's hot. It's too hot. Are you gonna take forever? It's done? Just had some yummy lunch and so sleepy. Chow, are you sleepy?
No.
Don't lie. Fresher? We'll get ready and go?
So I slept only for 3.5 hours. I slept at 3 and woke up at 7:30.
This is an official meet.
Okay, so we had our lunch. Super full. For me, I'm so used to. Can you pause? I'm talking to the vlog. What plans, Shaw, for Sunday?
Grocery shopping.
Yay! Okay. Okay, so we just had lunch. We're super full. You know, I have this habit of eating some dessert after lunch, and I want it right now. Can you get me some cake from the fridge? He just can't say no. Yeah, so I'm sure all of you guys also have that cravings after eating. Maybe you don't have chow, but I'm sure a lot of people. Guys, if you are like me, if you want to eat sweet or at least sugar or anything after lunch or dinner, comment below and let chow know that this is a real thing, that most of the people have it.
Dessert craving.
Yup. Okay, so I think I'll just take you guys through grocery shopping if we go. Yeah, I'll see you. Bye. I thought you said you don't want. Okay, give me. Yes. Too good. We're going upstairs because we have a quick shoot to finish. Chow is not happy about the part that I'm making him take pictures on Sunday also, but have to do it right. So yeah, I'm taking all of this upstairs, so just one look. So I think I'll be done in 5 to 10 minutes. So yeah, maybe I'll try to show you how we shoot in the terrace. Like, I'll try. So just got done with the shoot. It was sweating like crazy, but I managed to do it. And yeah, that's it. I think after this we'll go for a quick grocery run and also get fruits and coconut and all of that. Wait, let me show you. So I'm quickly going to change and I think we'll head out. I'll take you guys. Bye. So we're gonna clean the room a bit. Chow is already doing his part. Let me show. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let's get to cleaning. Done with shoot, just waiting for Chow to come. I think he's just cleaning something, so once he comes we'll be leaving. And yeah, first ever Sunday going out for a round. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so we're back. We're heading out to buy groceries, fruits and all of that. I think at 4 o'clock I told you guys we'll be leaving, but then Mr. Late, you took 2 hours to get ready.
It's because of your shoot.
My shoot got over by 4.
It's okay. So what? Did you take bath? No, right? Not like you.
You know I can edit whatever I want, right? Can't. Okay, I think he's just pissed off that I said he's late. Okay, babe. You what to say? You're punctual. You're the best ever. Okay, sweetie? High five. Okay, where are we going for groceries?
Besinagar.
Yeah. We live here near Marina, and for groceries we go to Besinagar. I think that's just our way of going for a nice round. I think the number of times I count you adjusting your hair in my vlog will be like 100 or 200 times.
ఆయనకి సేల్ చేసే మూడ్లో లేడు అని చెప్పి చెప్పేసాను. కాబట్టి ఇంకా వాళ్ళు కూడా వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇంకా మనం ఏం అడగల.
ఓకే.
వేరే ఏదైనా చూసుకున్నోలే అని చెప్పి వెళ్ళిపోయారు, అంతేగాని వేరే ఇంకేం లేదు.
ఓకే.
It's too cold.
నీకు రెంటల్ పర్పస్ ఎంత?
Fruits done, groceries done, everything's done. We're almost back home and it makes me so sad because tomorrow's a Monday. Work starts in the morning. So yeah, I think I'll just see you guys in a bit and say bye to the vlog. Okay, we just got back home and I quickly changed. We're gonna have dinner. Dinner is just, yeah. So dinner is just whatever's left over from the afternoon. So nothing fancy. We're just gonna have that and doze off. Super sleepy, super exhausted. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you want to watch more vlogs or if you have any suggestions, except for home tour because I can't do that right now. It's gonna take some time. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know and I'll do it. Thank you. Bye.